Hi everybody, welcome back to One to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'll be guiding you on how you can use Primetime to boost on Tinder. So to get started, go ahead and open up your Tinder application. Now once you open the Tinder application, the user face will appear somewhat like this. Now in the screen you can see many options, which is rotate, crush, star, heart and boost, many more. Now what you can do is simply go ahead and tap on that boost, and this is what Tinder Primetime Boost is. What you can do now is, what Tinder Boost will do is pick your profile and make your profile to the top recommendations around 30 minutes. Now in here you can buy as much as boost as you like. You can buy $5, $10 and many more boosts, and this function helps you to expose the boost to as many person as you like, and it will show your profile on the top recommendations for certain periods of time. So that's all guys. If you found the video to be helpful and informative, go ahead and subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates.